Hi there, my name is Isla and I'm going to be doing cakes without recipes, okay? And this here is my assistant, Xanthi, over there. See? Yeah, she's a nice girl, Xanthi. She's my little sister. And over there, you can see on the sofa, he's also an assistant. Okay. Now we'll need some wholemeal milk and
wholemeal.
Now salty butter, ginger and baking powder. We'll need eggs here and we'll have some nice white flour here. And if we want, we could have icing. You don't have to, yeah. In a big bowl, and I'd say we need this. Everybody knows you can't make a cake without breaking a few eggs, though. First step is the one yolk and only 2 eggs. I mean the 2 and only. For the second egg. Okay, it's time to put some butter in this. I'll just put the butter in. Actually, I think I'll do the biggest chunk. Let's do a little bit more whizzing. We want it to be very fluffy. Nice and fluffy, and we're gonna add all of this sugar, and I think I'm just doing this off by heart. Hopefully not too much. I've already given it another new little whiz and a little stir. Now I think let's say a tablespoon of ginger in, because this is a ginger cake. Okay, we've got a teaspoon of that. Pop that in, but we've definitely made a lot of mess around here. Oh, and flour. Never forget the flour. Now I've given this here a nice thorough stir. I didn't exactly need to with it. Now time for adding a bit of milk. Okay, give it a little stir that milk in, and then done. Just need to put it in the oven. La 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 la. Now we've got all this ready, and time to put the mixture in. Just a tiny bit more, but don't want it to overflow. Oh no. There we go. There. Let's put it in. Oh, these are going to be great, aren't they, Xanthi? Oh, yeah. Oh, these are great. Now I need to take a bite.